What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there. And welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. Well guys, in today's video, I'm gonna share you the platform that can help you out to learn the Spanish from the scratch. And the platform is the SpanishExperiment.com. What perks will you get by this platform? Well guys, this is 100% for free platform and you don't need to subscribe anything here, and even you don't need to do the login to get the access to learn the Spanish, guys. So you can simply visit this link, and don't worry because I will put this link into the description box. And after that, you can simply go to this Spanish lessons part, and there are the Spanish lessons like the Spanish greetings, questions, word in Spanish, and also the formal versus informal of you, and also the Spanish plurals. And these are very complete until you can start to learn how to talking about the pain or sickness in Spanish. And for example, here I will give you the step-by-step to access and learn the Spanish here. And don't worry, in case if you'd like to know about the pronunciation of the word or each word in Spanish, or in Spanish we can call it palabras, so you can start to play or click this button. For example, if I would like to say hola in Spanish, you can play it.
Hola.
Hola. And this one.
Buenos días.
Buenos días, which means good morning. And also the
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. And the last one.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches, which means the good evening. Isn't that cool, right? And in this greetings, you can also challenge yourself to get the questions in Spanish. For example, the here, ¿quién?, which means who.
¿Quién?
¿Quién eres tú?
¿Quién eres tú?
I'm sorry. ¿Quién eres tú?
¿Quién eres tú?
Like that, guys. Isn't that cool, right? So don't worry about the pronunciation, and every single lesson has also its kind of the small part of the Spanish greeting until you can also learn about the talking something in case if you feel the soreness or the sickness. Like this. Me duele la cabeza.
Me duele la cabeza.
Isn't that cool, right? So guys, don't forget to use your time to visit this, the SpanishExperiment.com, in case if you would like to be multilingual this year. And I believe, guys, that you can do it and be better for this year. So I hope this video finds you helpful, and so does this platform. Thank you, the Spanish Experiment. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry, guys, to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.